is The Home Doctor, the complete survival guide for every household? Let's find out. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into an in-depth review of The Home Doctor, practical medicine for every household. Before we get started, make sure to stay tuned until the end of the video because I will be revealing two special bonuses you'll receive when you purchase this book. And remember, always buy from the official website to avoid scams. The link is in the description. Let's start by introducing the authors of this incredible guide. The book is written by Dr. Mabel Neves, Dr. Rodrigo Alterio, and Claude Davis. Dr. Mabel Neves, head surgeon of the Unit of Breast Pathology at Caracas University Hospital in Venezuela, she brings over 10 years of experience and innovative methods developed during Venezuela's economic collapse. The book highlights 10 crucial medical supplies that are affordable and essential for any emergency. With supply chains often being vulnerable, having items like naproxen at home is critical. This section emphasizes the importance of preparedness in uncertain times. One of the most valuable parts of The Home Doctor is its detailed guides on recognizing and managing emergencies. It teaches you how to identify symptoms of heart attacks and strokes and provides step-by-step instructions on immediate actions to take. For instance, learning to recognize chest discomfort and shortness of breath as signs of a heart attack can be life-saving. Another eye-opening section covers the use of expired medications. Dr. Mabel explains which medications remain effective past their expiration dates and which do not. This knowledge, based on her first-hand experience in Venezuela, can be crucial in an emergency when new supplies aren't available. The book is filled with practical, natural solutions. From creating DIY antibiotic salves to using natural painkillers found in your backyard, it offers numerous remedies. For example, it highlights a pain-killing plant that grows all over North America, which was a go-to remedy in Venezuela. Advice on managing health during blackouts is particularly useful. It includes tips on keeping medications like insulin viable without refrigeration and avoiding common mistakes. This section is vital for those living in areas prone to power outages. Finally, the book advises on the right probiotics to maintain gut health, helping to avoid common issues like allergies and weight gain that can be triggered by the wrong probiotics. The Home Doctor is an invaluable resource for anyone looking to be prepared for medical emergencies when professional help is not available. Its practical tips, natural remedies, and comprehensive guides make it a must-have for every household. Remember, purchasing from the official website ensures you get two additional bonuses: wild edibles you can forage for or find at the grocery store, and natural healing secrets of Native Americans. These books provide even more valuable information on natural remedies and foraging, making your investment truly worthwhile. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, please like, comment, and subscribe. For more information or to purchase The Home Doctor, check out the link in the description. Stay prepared and stay safe.